Home Remedies presents.
Try this 2-ingredient magic oil for extreme hair growth. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and today get ready for another surprise. If you are looking to beat hair loss, there is an excellent homemade hair oil. It might have a little odor, but you won't mind the smell when you see how fast it can reduce hair loss and regrow hair in the bald areas. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The effective homemade oil I will talk about today is garlic hair oil. Garlic is a perfect hair care ingredient. Here are a few benefits of garlic for hair growth. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria, which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. The presence of selenium content in garlic helps boost blood circulation for maximum nourishment. It also helps cleanse hair follicles, strengthens them and prevents clogging, further curbing their loss. Garlic helps calm aggravated scalp and treats issues like dandruff. How to make garlic hair oil? Those of you who like no waiting and quick returns, garlic hair oil is for you. It gets ready in minutes and you can get results in days. You will need 4 cloves of garlic, medium size, about 10 grams, quarter cup coconut oil, about 50 grams. You can try olive, mustard or sesame oil as well. First, mince the garlic. Next, place the chopped garlic and coconut oil in a small pan and heat on a low flame. Don't get tempted to increase the flame or you might burn the garlic. In a couple of minutes, garlic will start to sizzle and give you a nice garlicky aroma. Use a spoon to swirl the garlic around in the oil. Continue heating until the garlic turns light brown. Then switch off the flame. It will take 5 minutes or so, depending on how thick bottom your pot is. Let the oil cool down, strain and apply. How to use? Massage the garlic oil into your scalp and hair and let it work its magic for an hour. Then wash. You can use it every alternate day. After using garlic hair oil remedy, the hair fall will reduce drastically. It doesn't only help with hair loss but also regrow and strengthens the existing hair. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.